Hi folks, Robert here again. In this exercise, we're going to look at ramps. So we're going to draw a ramp in this 3D model that I got from a training guide, Lee Small's Revit 213 Basics Structural and Documentation. So we're going to do a ramp right through here. So the first thing we want to do in this exercise, we want to go to our topo pad level. And in this view, as we see, we got these sketch lines in here. This is where our ramp is going to be. You can place these in or anywhere you want to put your ramp. For this exercise, we'll do it here. So now the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our ramp tool. We select ramp. And then we want to edit this type in our properties browser. This is so edit type here. And then now we want to just duplicate this guy. And we'll call this wheelchair access. This will be a wheelchair access ramp. So it's going to wheelchair access. And we'll click OK. Now we have to have some properties set. We want this ramp material. This here is concrete. We want it to be a solid. We have all these other options, but we want it solid, like most ramps are. The material is concrete again. And here we want to change our incline length. This is going to be about 30 feet. So let's make this 30 feet. Okay. And then we'll just say okay. Okay, so now we want to go into our properties and we want to make the base level top of pad. Our base offset is going to be 1 foot. Our first level, this is our top level, will be the first level. We can change that to any level we like if you want. And the top offset will be 4 inches. And the width will be 10 feet. And we want to have these labels selected. So now what we want to do is enable boundary right here. From our draw panel. And then we want to go into our pick line command. And we want to pick these sketch lines that we drew in previously. You can trace these or do whatever. And that's one there, there. And next we want to select riser. Now once we go into the riser, we need to draw a line at the end of the ramp. So we need a line here, and one here. Let's go up to the top. Make sure we go to the end point of these lines. And we'll select another point there. Now, once that's done, we want to go and select our railing. So we'll just pick railing here. And we already have a predefined railing for our wheelchair ramp. And then we'll say OK here. And then select our green check mark. And there it places our ramp. Now here, if we look at this in 3D view, you'll see that the ramp is going in the wrong direction. So we just go back to the top of our pad and select the arrow for the incline to go up in the opposition. So that's all. That's very simple. That's how we do ramps. Let's go back in 3D and look at it. And there's our ramp. So again, we just created those properties that we needed. edit the type, and set our incline and length. So hey, folks, that was a quick little exercise on ramps. We're going to continue on with destruction. In the meantime, thanks, and if you have any questions, comments, or need this file, send me a message or please subscribe. It helps me make videos every day. Bye.